In this video, you'll learn how to reset app preferences on your Pixel 9 device. By following these steps, you will restore the original settings for your apps without losing any data. Begin by locating the Settings app on your Pixel 9a. This app can usually be found in your app drawer or on your home screen. Once you open the Settings app, look for the section labeled Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tapping on this option will display all the applications installed on your device, allowing you to manage their settings effectively. Once you are in the app settings, direct your attention to the menu icon, which is typically located at the top corner of the screen. Tapping on this menu icon will present you with a list of options. From this list, select Reset App Preferences. This option is crucial for restoring the default configurations of your app, so ensure you choose it accurately. After selecting Reset App Preferences, a prompt will appear on your screen. This prompt will explain what changes will occur as a result of this action. Specifically, it will inform you that disabled apps, notifications, and default apps will be reset. It is important to read this information carefully to understand the implications of the reset. Once you have reviewed the details, confirm your selection to proceed with the reset. Following your confirmation, you will need to wait for the reset process to complete. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the reset is finished, you can review your apps to ensure that the settings have been restored to their defaults. While this process does not delete any of your personal data, you may need to manually reconfigure some preferences that were customized before the reset. Now that your app preferences have been successfully reset, you can navigate back to your apps and check their settings. This process has restored the original configurations, ensuring your apps are set up as they were when you first used your device. If you encounter any issues or need further adjustments, you can easily make those changes in the app settings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.